Welcome to the Christmas episode of One Punch.
Yeah, you got it! That's you! That's all you, man! Nice find!
In this special event, presents are hid all around the battlefield. These presents could be anywhere, so I'm checking all the connexes all day long. My objective? To win a present and give it to some small child. If you find them, turn them into the front office, and they could be turned in for a replica or some sweet swag. During games, refs will be trying to sneak candy canes into our dump pouch.
You're in charge. You're trying to candy cane me.
So in charge right now.
Busted! Busted! Caught red and white-handed.
For this event, I'm using my classic Army M4. It's been demonically possessed, and I'm using the EPM1 mags. Other players have come out being festive today. F-Strike Studios brings out the Candy Cane M4. This HPA Polar Star M4 is perfect for this holiday.
What? Oh, that's just silly.
Thanks.
That's beautiful.
Let's get into the gameplay.
Jack, I love your strategy. That's how you play airsoft, just eating nuggies. Nug me! Oh, I was gonna say toss it, I'll catch it. Aw, thank you. Nom.
It's the start of the game, and I'm rushing around to try and find presents. Additionally, any candy canes found on the map are objectives. Nothing in the helicopter. Let's check inside these cylinders. Nope. This snow is like running in quicksand. This is definitely getting my cardio for the day. As I'm walking around, one of the refs tags me with a candy cane. Sneaky, sneaky. I got a good hunch that says there should be a present in this connex. It's empty. Nothing here either. The entire time we're playing, enemies are repositioning and taking shots at us. I gotta be quick about this. I'm so focused on a present for the kids, I miss all the objectives. Van's clear. Where are these presents? Sadly, I forgot to put an SD card in my run cam today, so we're just gonna deal with it. That wasn't so bad now, was it? After a quick battery change, it's time to get back to the mission. Let's find those presents. Maybe if I rack up enough kills, one will just spawn in. I was so focused on the enemy, I didn't even notice the objective. I'm at my favorite holdout on the map. This is the honey spot. It's called that because every clip I get out of here is so sweet.
Holy shit!
Looks like we got company close. I like to play bare bones airsoft. No gear, just pocket mags. I love this binary trigger, it absolutely slaps. With that hit, I'm taken out. Let's get a quick respawn and keep looking for those presents. I can't disappoint the kids. I gotta find a present. I've looked everywhere, but I'm not giving up. Game's winding down and I'm almost out of time. I spot a sniper out in the field and I need to take cover. Let's give him the high-low razzle-dazzle.
Got the sniper.
Let's check 3 windows, see if there's a present in there.
Oh, hi, buddy.
Nope, just enemies.
Good job. They're in the back corner.
I see the last few guys in the corner and decide to make my push.
What team are you on? What team are you on? Okay, yeah, we're going that way.
Kid thought I was gonna waste him.
I'm scared. Oh yeah. That's Will I see myself on YouTube?
Woo! Yes, sir.
With perfect timing, my head cam dies, and as I walk back, I discover one of the presents hidden in the logs. All that's left to do is find a young airsofter to deliver it to.
Somebody. You, small child. Merry Christmas.
Hold on to that.
That'll do it for today's video. Thank you for everyone who came out to the Christmas event at Go Aheads. Stay tuned, got lots of travels. Peace.